my YouTube channel, which is Little Aradhya, and I'm back with another video. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to how to start making website on CodePen.io. It's a little bit tour of CodePen.io, how to use it, and how to make a basic web page, like how to add images, text, and more. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay, so first we are going to search codepen.io on the Google. As you can see, it's here, codepen.io. The first link is here. It's this link. We have to just click on it. A lot of you a lot of people hasn't been like signed up or logged in. So please just create account for yourself so you can start saving your project. Okay, so just let's begin. We Let me give you a little bit tour of codepen.io basically. So yeah, it's a very good website for for beginners to start making website. This is very easy basically, very easy. Get started quick, org inspiration from pens, using frameworks, library, design patterns. There are some template also, as you can say, like owned with a pre-made template. So you know the meaning of template. So there it will have the basic code, so you just have to make your editing. You'll just start on click on start coding. Now as you can see, here are some option on the this side, on the right upper corner. So here's the save button. When you are done with your work, you can just save it, so you can check it afterwards. This is setting. I'll make a different video on the setting bar because it's a little bit complicated for you right now to understand. So here's a view changer button. So you can change the view, like, see, as you can see here. Sorry, excuse me. So as you can see, it changes the view. So I'll take this. Okay, so let's begin. So if you first of all, you need to title your project, which is basic web page Little Aradhya. So yeah, this is my, what we say, this is my heading. Now, if you want to write anything on the project itself, if you want to write anything on the, on the website, first you have to start writing HTML. You have to start writing this. Then after that, write a tag open head this. Okay. After opening a head, add title. Okay, title would be basic. Oh, this basic web page, then close the title. As you can see, it is so easy. First we have to open the HTML tag. So all these words is called tag. This is called a tag. Okay, then her head should be opened. So guys, basically, if you are first of all, if you are first like making a website, you will not understand what is it. But as you know, first there's a head. We have to open a head on the codepen.io. First is head, no? Then we have the title. What is the title of the project? Then the after the title, we will close the head. Why we are closing the head and how we can close the head? Let me tell you how we can close the head or any tag. So just go, then write the word. And as you can see, it is so easy. It is so easy. I just closed the tag. Okay, if you're opening a tag, like I opened the head tag, and if I'm not closing any tag, the what work you are doing will not happen on the page. Now if you want to start writing anything, just write h1 1. Okay, Oh, H1, and write whatever you want. I want to write L R A D H Y A. So as you can see, okay, 1 minute. Yeah, as you can see, it happened to right here on the web page. Okay, and first of all, I will also make a different video on how to style your projects. How to style your projects. What's the basic? So yeah, stay tuned for another video. Okay, H1. Now I told you before that closing any tag is the most important part. So let's close it in the same way how we opened it. Just add this vertical line. Okay. Then after that we will enter again. If you want to write any points, any points, the points of bullet points. If you want to write that because it looks like much better than what we are writing. So you can just do one thing. U L, then this, then we'll go the downwards, then we will open li tag, li, sorry, li tag, then we will write whatever we want to write. I will write aradhya again, then I will just close the tag like here, li, and I've closed it. So let me just don't give a space bar here. So as you can see, oh, as you can, okay, again, okay, yeah. As you can see here, don't give any space. Don't give any space and add, like, do not do add the tag afterwards also. Do not forget that. Okay. So sorry. Okay. So after that, if you want to write another point, you can just write another point like this and write coding and close the li, close the tag. So as you can see, there's another bullet point. If you want to write like lots of bullet points, you can just do the same pattern. After that, close the ul tag. Closing a tag is very important. Do not forget. So just close the oh, ul. Okay, ul tag should be closed. So as you can see, the bullet point is done. And now if you want to add any image, if you want to add any image, you can just do one thing. Go on the Google. First, let's open the tag no of image img. You have to remember all these tags. You have to remember all these, like tags and all these, like from the starting point, how to start making like a basic of it, and how to like start making a website. Like we have to first open html, then head, okay, and then all of that. But if you do not like revise and do not make website oftenly, you will forget the pattern. So do not like do not do not just like take do you see the video and do not revise it, because if you don't revise you won't remember the pattern. I have done a lot of experience, a lot of work, and hard work to remember all this pattern. You can also write you can write it somewhere in your coding notebook. I have a coding notebook. So if I like forget anything, I just see the notes and I'll just remember it and start revising it again and again. So yeah, that's the pattern to remember the tags. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the Google. After opening the img tag, what's img does? Img is basically a tag for if you want to add any image. Okay, so I will just see a image of coding. Yep, go to the images, and and image, it's loading. So as you can see, there's a lot of photos. I'll just do get this one, and I will I will just right click on it with the help of mouse or the help of mouse pad. Okay, and just this I'll just click on copy link address to like click on the copy link address only. Okay, yeah, copy image address is just the both image address is same and copy link address is same. So I'll do copy image address, then go in here, then enter again, then write src equals to colons, then I'll right click to paste the link. That should be closed. So as you can see here, I've got the photo. And like yeah, css is important because what happened is if you don't do css, this like the website would not look beautiful, not look, like very attractive one. It will not look very good because as you can see it's not attractive or not good. So that's why css is very important. I'm sorry. So as you can see, the photo is here, and it looks it's pretty much like what we wanted. Okay, so do not forget the pattern of how to add an image. Do not forget the pattern of how we added an image. First, we open an image tag, which is img, which is a img is a short form of image. Then, if we want to copy any link address, you just need to add src. SRC. Okay, then we have to add colons, and in like between the colons, we just have to paste the link, and after that we have to add this tag. If you won't add this tag, what happens is the image would not be appearing. Okay, so I hope you remember what we have learned, and if you have one thing more, if you want to add any, what do we say, paragraph, a long paragraph. So just add this, just add rate P like this, and go here, go here. Um, just go to like a Wikipedia. Let's see if there's a Wikipedia of coding. A Wikipedia. Yes. Oh, here's a coding Wikipedia. I'm very fascinated if like there's a coding web Wikipedia. Wow. So we will just kind of copy it all, okay? And we'll copy it and go in here and just paste it. Wow, as you can see here, as you can see, I've added a paragraph. Five. Okay, okay. One more thing. Like if we want to write anything, any heading, we use H1. If we want to write a long paragraph, what is the meaning of paragraph? Paragraph, a lot of lines, a lot of lines. Okay, so you can just use the paragraph. Here, as you can see, the paragraph is here. If you want to change the font size, the color, the background color, the image size, the and all more patterns, and it make it attractive, just use css. So stay tuned for my more videos, so you can learn how to use css. I hope you like today's video. If you do, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Little Aradhya. And yeah, tada, bye bye.